Hey there, Professor Charles again. So not only are legal articles really great for research because, people that write the articles do lots of research and then they just give that to you, but it's also an opportunity for you to participate in creating the law. If you have an idea on some new developing area of law, you can write an article about that, and then courts will cite it, practitioners will cite it. A lot of your law professors, this is what they do in their spare time, including myself. And then courts cite our articles, and that's how we can participate in creating the law. And you can take classes at law school where you actually write a scholarly article and then try to get it published. Well, when you try to get it published, there's over 600 legal journals out there. Every single law school has what's called a law review. Like here's the Akron Law School Law Review. And then in addition to, a law review, many law schools have other journals as well. And you can, try to get your article published in any of those law reviews or journals. So I'm just showing you just a few here. And there's a lot of that are subject matter, like I just saw animal law here somewhere, animal law, applied research and coaching, athletics. So there's just a ton of legal journals out there for you to both research in and to get published in. Okay, so I just want to focus or show you a couple different articles here. So one place you can search is Google Scholar. These are free. I just did something that's kind of a big topic right now, which is transgender reassignment surgery. And let's say you find an article from like the Columbia Law Review on this topic. This article, which was written in 2001, it has not been updated. So there's nothing in here that is current, as in a lot of this stuff, a lot of the court opinions that are cited or some of the law review or some of the research, it could be woefully outdated. Unlike treatises and encyclopedias and American law reports that are updated regularly, articles are not. So once they're written, they're done. The other thing is you want to look to see who actually is the author, because the author, like here, this is written by Taylor Flynn, assistant professor of law. Okay, that carries some weight. If it's a student, that carries less weight. Like I was really surprised when a couple of attorneys cited an article that I wrote in law school more than 20 years ago. I guess they were kind of desperate or something. That article would carry, little weight because I was just a law student at the time. Law professor carries a little more weight. And then, somebody like a district court judge or a circuit court judge, a sitting judge, that would carry more weight. Or like an expert, a known expert in the area, that would carry more weight as well. So if you have to cite a law review article because it's an issue of first impression, be sure you're citing somebody that has some credibility behind them. But honestly, for the most part, you're going to be using law review articles simply to find sources, okay? So find primary authority. All right, see you back in the book.